Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. In this week's quick video, I'll show you how the eBay out-of-stock function works and why it's critical to enable it to get more sales on eBay, and also how to enable eBay's out-of-stock function. If anybody new to this channel, my name is Neil Waterhouse. I've been selling on eBay for over 25 years. I'm the author of $1 Million eBay Business from Home and creator of Dropship Formula. So let's launch straight into it. First of all, the reason to have eBay's out-of-stock function enabled is that it stops your listings from ending and losing all the valuable sales history when an item runs out of stock. Let me show you what I mean. Take this listing as an example. This listing has sold 737 times since it was first listed. In the industry, this is known as sales history, i.e. 737 times. And buyers on eBay love listings with sales history, even if the sales history is only 1. A sales history of just 1 looks a lot better than a sales history of 0. Now, if the eBay out-of-stock function is not enabled, if a listing runs out of stock, eBay will end that listing and you lose all that sales history forever, i.e. sold 737 times. This sales history will be lost forever and there's no way of getting it back. However, if the eBay out-of-stock function is enabled, the listing can have 0 available and eBay will not end that listing, therefore protecting your very valuable sales history. Just a caveat on this though, if the item remains at 0 available for 2 months, eBay will automatically end that listing with the out-of-stock function enabled. However, if during that 2-month period, if any stock is added, even just one piece, the 2 months automatically resets again. So you've got another 2 months. Okay, so how do you enable eBay's out-of-stock function? To do this, on any page on eBay, click on My eBay, then Account, then Selling Preferences. Then you'll see the option of listings stay active when you're out of stock. Note by default, this out of stock function is disabled. To enable the out of stock function, simply move the slider to the right. If you also want to know how to increase eBay sales fast, make sure you check out this video up here, and I'll put a link below the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.